Hello friends, welcome back my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install iOS 18.1 on X, XS and XR. So let's start the video. First open the settings on iPhone and tap on General. You can see here software update, just tap on it. I remove dark mode first to make you look good. Here you will see that there are two types of update modes. First auto update and second beta updates. Now if you want to update the current one, then click on beta update. But if you want auto update according to the model, then click on auto update. As well as you can see here, that's it. Hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. If you want any question, go to the comment section below. Thanks for watching my video.